Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be cleansing and styling my hair using the main choices Proceed with Caution line. So I started out with the Slippery When Wet shampoo, which is made with Japanese cherry and chia seed oil. This shampoo gently cleanses and restores moisture, and it is also formulated to maintain the pH balance. The shampoo was very moisturizing and it left my hair very clean. So next up, I'm using the 4-way conditioner. This conditioner can be used as a co-wash, leave-in, detangler, or rinse out. I actually use this conditioner as a deep conditioner. So I applied it in sections, twisted it up, added a plastic bag, and I let it sit under heat for about 30 minutes before rinsing out. So let me just say that this entire line smells amazing. So I used the 4-way conditioner as sort of a deep conditioner and I rinsed it out. Now I am using it as a leave-in conditioner and I'm going to be applying that throughout my hair and then twisting it up. So the style that I'm doing today is a PermRod set, but I decided to do it on stretched hair, so I will be blowing out my hair. Now on to styling. I am using the Killer Curls and Brutal Bounce Look Both Ways Hair and Edge Gel, 2 gels in 1 jar. So I'm using the hair gel side, which is created to give you perfect definition, intense moisture, and shine. So I'm applying just a little bit of the gel because I am doing this style on stretched hair and I don't want my hair to revert. So adding just a little bit of the gel, detangling it through, and then in medium sections adding the perm rods. So for this perm rod set, I am going for bouncy curls. This is my first time using a gel for a perm rod set. Normally I use a mousse, sometimes I use a cream, but I'm excited to see how this turns out. Now the consistency of this gel is very sticky, so I was a little bit concerned when applying this to my hair as to how it would turn out when it dried, but stay tuned and see what happens. So now all the rollers are applied and I am just going to let my hair air dry overnight. So here we are the next day, ready for the takedown, and as you can see, my curls are popping. This gel left my curls nice and moisturized, defined, and they weren't hard or crunchy at all. So that was very surprising. So I'm just going to continue to take these rollers out. So now I'm going to go in with the Dangerous Luster and Shine Illuminator, and I'm just going to add that to my hands just to make sure that I prevent any unnecessary frizz while I am separating my curls. So before separating, I'm just going to go through and stretch each one of my curls because again, this is a style that I did on stretched hair. So I want the most length and volume that I can get from this set. So to separate, I am just stretching the curl out and then letting it separate as it wants to separate. So here we are with the final results. I am definitely loving this look. Hope you guys have enjoyed this video as much as I have enjoyed trying these new products out. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and I will see you in my next video.